Welcome back, everyone, to another edition of Balboa's Backyard Bites. We're here with Samira and Henry from Bruno's Italian Kitchen. They're going to cook us up some fabulous food.
Thank you for having us, Nick.
Yes, thank y'all for coming. We appreciate it.
All right, so we're going to start our first dish, Shrimp and Scallops Cremora. We're going to blacken the shrimp and the scallops, and we're going to grill it on a grill. So we have here our creamy risotto, our homemade creamy sauce, and seared scallops and shrimp. This is our Shrimp and Scallops Cremora, one of our best sells on the menu. So we're going to grill salmon for our grilled salmon Greek salad. So first we're going to put the seasoning, blacken, and we're going to throw it in a grill. Perfect. Okay, so we have our salmon ready and grilled to perfection. Now we're going to fix the Greek salad. We're going to start with the cucumbers, Kalamata olives. We have our roasted red pepper, banana pepper, feta cheese, and to top it off, we have our Greek dressing. For the salad, it comes automatically with the Greek dressing, but I would recommend our house-made house dressing, which is tomato basil vinaigrette. It goes well with the Greek salad too, but it's all about preference. Now we're gonna bring the salmon and put it on top of our Greek salad. Perfect. Here it is, our Greek salad with black and grilled salmon on top. So we're gonna make our homemade pizza today, and toast pizza. We're gonna keep it simple today. We're gonna do the Quattro Formaggi, which is blended cheese, mozzarella, romano, provolone, and parmesan. Bruno's Italian Kitchen. So we're family owned and operated. We all work there as owners. My husband, it's one of the chefs. And our boys works in a restaurant too. One of our sons is a bartender there too. And we provide homemade food cooked from scratch, mostly Italian, but we have it all from steak, fish, seafood, chicken, pasta, we have it all. Open 7 days a week, every day there for lunch and for dinner. We love our gatherings, big parties. We have 3 private rooms that we host private events, from business meetings, birthday celebration, any occasion, up to 100 people. Here's our Quattro Formaggi pizza, fresh out the oven, and toast with all 4 blended cheese. Okay, Nick, this is our menu for today. We have Shrimp and Scallops Cremora, one of our best sell on the menu. We have the Quattro Formaggi pizza and the Greek salad with the grilled salmon on top.
Oh my gosh, all this just looks so good.
It is very good.
I'm going to try. These are
Can't
scallops.
wait for you to try. Yeah, that's blackened scallops grilled to perfection with our homemade creamy white sauce. And don't forget to try the risotto.
You make your own blackened seasoning?
Yeah.
It is excellent.
Thank you.
That is some good risotto. And the pizza
The
is...
Quattro Formaggi pizza. Quattro Formaggi is 4 cheeses, which is blended cheese with romano, mozzarella, provolone, and parmesan. Good stuff.
Great stuff.
Well, we keep it simple today because of the, timing and prepping, but we have pizza, chicken buffalo pizza, we have our supreme, we have our meat lovers. You can make your own, add the toppings as you like. Everything is made from scratch with fresh ingredients.
Some excellent pizza. I like the taste.
Thank you.
Good tasting pizza.
Very unique for sure.
Got to try some of the salmon.
The Greek salad, which it has feta cheese, roasted red pepper, banana pepper, cucumber, black olives, and you can choose the protein from chicken or shrimp or salmon, but the most popular one is the salmon Greek salad.
That is excellent.
Yeah.
Great tasting salad.
It is very good.
Man, I want to thank y'all so much for coming out and doing this
pleasure.
for us. We'll come by and visit you at Bruno's Italian Kitchen.
Please, yes, on 3199 Dowling Road, Vermont, Texas.
We'll see you next time on another edition of Balboa's Backyard Bites. See you later.
Bye.